In my last videos, I discussed about suffixes. In this video, I will be discussing about prefixes in detail. What are basically suffixes and prefixes? These are the types of affixes. What are affixes? Affixes can be a letter or a word or a syllable which you can add to the root word to change its meaning. Its two types are prefix and suffix. What is the difference between prefix and suffix? It can be a letter, word or a syllable which comes before a root word. On the contrary, suffixes come after the root word or a base word. What are the function of these two, or what can be the function of affixes? They basically change the meaning of the root word. So let's see in detail about prefixes. As I told you about prefixes, that prefix can be a letter, it can be a word, or it can be a syllable, which we add to the beginning of a root word to change its meaning. If you don't know about the difference between letter, word and syllables, go and have a look on my Facebook page, Insta or the YouTube channel. If you want to see all of these things in detail, then you must watch my YouTube channel videos to learn about letter, word or syllables. So, come to the point, prefixes. In all of these examples, the highlighted areas are prefixes because these are coming before the root word and these prefixes are changing the meaning of the root word. Let's those examples with me. Appear, disappear. Appear is a root word. Reappear, re is a prefix. Transformed, informed, reported, teleported. But when we have words and suffixes, why do we need prefixes in English language? Prefixes are mainly used to shorten phrases. For example, achieving more than expected. Instead of writing this phrase, just write overachieving. Here, over is a prefix and achieve is a root word and is a suffix. But keep this thing in your mind. Prefixes always have the same meanings. It does not depend upon the root word. For example, re is a prefix which means to do something again. If you read or write, reread, it means to read again. Rebuild, it means to build again. Do you notice the difference that re is giving us the same meaning that to do something again, whether the root word is read or the build. I will give you some tips for writing the prefixes. Keep this thing in your mind, the spellings of the root or the base word never changes when you add the prefix. For example, cycle is a root word and try is a prefix. When we write tricycle, we will not change the spelling of the base word. Another tip is be aware that double letters can occur, as in unnatural. But you have to keep both of these letters while writing these kind of words. Third tip is watch out for prefix look-alikes. Real is a word. In the word real, re is not a prefix. So you have to be careful about these kind of words. Sometimes hyphen is needed to add prefix. But when we have to put hyphen, in the next video, I will tell you about hyphens and some tips when you have to put hyphen in while making a new word by adding prefixes. So for this, subscribe my channel and follow me on Facebook and Insta. Thank you.